Hi everybody, I'm Charlie from GreenPonik, your garden assistant. Today I'll show you how to install the water sensor and water pump modules. The modules I'll show you today are our beta test version, which is a bit different from the final design, but operates the same way. Here is what a beta tester will receive. A water sensor, which contains all the electronics, and also some air sensors for temperature, humidity, air pressure, and light. It comes with industrial grade EC and pH sensors, so that you get accurate results, even on long periods of time, which is something the cheapest lab sensors cannot do. There will also be a 4-channel pump module to dose pH-, A and B nutrients, an aquarium pump to mix the water tank to spread the nutrients uniformly, and a wireless smart plug to pause irrigation when dosages are made, and some accessories. The first thing to do is to install the module. Screw the two wall mounts on a wall or a rigid board you have around. Now insert both modules in the order you want. The wall mounts are the same for the two devices. On the water sensor, plug the pH sensor, the EC sensor, and the water temperature sensor. Those sensors are supplied with 5 meters cables, so don't hesitate to tie the extra length. Now take the Ethernet cable to plug both modules. This is the only cable that goes to the water pump, as its power supply comes from the water sensor in this configuration. And last but not least, plug the USB power supply cable to the water sensor. Now plug your USB cable to your USB power supply. The power supply provided has 3 USB ports. Please do not plug any other USB on this power supply to avoid any electrical problem. pH and EC sensors must be placed in their floating part, so that the sensitive elements of the sensors are in the water at all times. In this configuration, the first pump is used to pump water and raise the tube each time a dosage is made. The second one is for pH-, and the two others are for A and B. You'll need to drill a 6 mm hole in each bottle cap in order to insert the dosing tubes, just like this. The device is delivered with 3 solution tubes. Each tube has a check valve on one end. Insert the end that doesn't have the check valve into the cap with the check valve on the bottle side. Now take the 3 solution inlet tubes and connect those to pump 2, 3 and 4. This configuration is fixed for the beta, but will be customizable through the app in the final version. The inlet and outlet tubes have a tube splitter at the end. The smaller one is the inlet and the other one is the outlet. Plug the small one on the first pump and the other one on the last free connector. The end of those tubes has to be placed in the water tank so that the system works as intended. The aquarium pump must be installed on the lower part of your water tank, if possible on an horizontal position to assume fast and efficient nutrient mix. Plug the Wi-Fi power socket to the wall power socket and plug your irrigation pump on it. It will allow the system to pause your irrigation when a dosing occurs. We've also provided some power adapters for countries that are outside the EU standard. And this is all for now. You can remove the sensor cap, fill up your water tank, and follow our app tutorial to enjoy water automation. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support us, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, you can write them in the comment section. You can also visit our website and social networks to get the latest news. And you can subscribe to the newsletter so that you can be part of the product test program. See you next time. Bye!